Hi, this is Subhashri from Computer Science and Engineering, SMCT. Now we are going to see about a case study uh, on a particular subject. Now the students are going to discuss about those
Hello
topics.
everyone, myself Roshni. Today I am going to discuss about cancer. Cancer is a disease which grows out of control, invade and around and destroying normal tissues.
Hello everyone, myself Vilashni. Today I'm going to discuss about types of cancer and how cancer starts in the body. First, types of cancers are breast, bladder, endometrial, thyroid, pancreatic, kidney cancer, lymphoma. Then how cancer starts with the body is generally it starts with a gene or several genes mutate and it creates cancerous cells. These cells create cancerous clusters or tumors. Cancer clusters or tumors. A tumor in our breast, it may also affect the lungs. Then it makes a man hard to breathe. For example, in some types of blood cells, abnormal cells may make in our bone marrow make the abnormal blood cells.
I'm Rakshana. I'm here to tell about symptoms of cancer. And cancer is a very contaminated disease. You cannot have symptoms at the same time. It can have noticeable symptoms. It can be noticeable symptoms, and such symptoms are chronic tiredness, uh, sudden weight loss, and, sudden weight loss.
Fatigue.
Fever that can be only in night times. And, you can control this cancer by okay. The causes of cancer are environment, smoking, and radiation. Environment are like environment toxins like asbestos sheets, UV radiations. Smoking cigarettes and cigars, e-cigarettes can worsen symptoms. And Ritika.
Hello everyone, I'm Ritika. I'm here to explain the stages of cancer. Basically, there are four stages of cancer. The initial or the first stage may be defined as where the cancer hasn't grown and it hasn't spread, are also localized in small area. And stage 2 is defined that it has been grown and hasn't spread to the body. And third stage is where it has grown and also spread possibly to the larger area of your body. And fourth stage is also known as the advanced stage or the metastatic, where the cancer has spread to the other parts of the body. So these stages are generally categorized by the healthcare providers based on the uses of treatments they give and to reduce their cancer treatment. Basically, the treatments involve three common methods of surgery, that is chemotherapy, radiation therapy and surgery. First thing is, most common thing is chemotherapy. In chemotherapy, we use high possible drugs which may reduce the spread of cancer through chemicals. You may receive it in the form of pill or in this form of therapy that you attend at the daily session. In radiation therapy, you give the patient of radiation with high doses and you reduce the transfer of cells to the other parts of the body. And the third type is surgery. In this type, you reduce the cancer by doing surgery.
Cancer is a large group of disease that with one thing in common. They all happen when normal cells become cancerous cell. Cancer is the second most cause of death in USA, but now people are dying because of cancer than 220 years ago. Innovative treatment helps people to prevent cancer and make them to live a bit longer.
As we discussed about cancer, we like to conclude that it's a most dangerous disease and it affects people and can be
So prevention is better than cure.
Prevention is better than